Who doesn't love the crisp, refreshing taste of Coca Cola? As the world's #1 soft drink, it's a global icon with that unmistakable fizz. Even its closest competitor, Diet Coke, is part of the same brand. But have you ever stopped to wonder what goes into that iconic red can? It seems almost magical, right? Well, today we're pulling back the curtain to reveal the secrets behind Coca Cola and the story of how it all began. The journey starts in 1886 in Atlanta, Georgia, with a curious pharmacist named John Pemberton. Pemberton was on a mission to create a headache remedy that was not only effective, but also refreshing. After much experimentation, he concocted a syrup made from botanical extracts, caramel coloring, and, most importantly, a secret recipe. This syrup would eventually lead to the birth of Pemberton's French wine Coca. Yes, that was the original name of Coca-Cola, before it became the iconic beverage we know today. The syrup was mixed with soda water and sold at a local pharmacy. And little did Pemberton know, he had just created a drink that would change the world. But here's the catch. While we'd love to tell you exactly how Coca-Cola is made, there's one small problem. The exact formula for Coca-Cola syrup is one of the most closely guarded secrets in the world. The recipe is said to be locked away in a vault at the World of Coca-Cola Museum in Atlanta, and only 2 employees at a time are allowed to know it. These 2 are kept anonymous, aren't permitted to travel together, and if one of them leaves, a successor is chosen to keep the secret safe. It's some serious cloak and dagger stuff. Although the specifics remain a mystery, we do know a few things about Coca-Cola's ingredients. The core components include carbonated water, high fructose corn syrup or sugar, depending on the region, caramel color, phosphoric acid, natural flavors, and of course, that secret blend of botanical extracts. The magic of Coca-Cola isn't just in its flavor, but also in its signature fizz, which comes from carbon dioxide gas added during the manufacturing process. This gas creates the tiny bubbles that give Coca-Cola its refreshing bite. So, how is Coca-Cola made? It all begins with the Coca-Cola Company producing the syrup concentrate in Atlanta. This top-secret concentrate is then shipped to Coca-Cola's trusted partners worldwide. The process continues with pure water, which undergoes advanced filtration to ensure it's as clean as possible. The filtered water is then mixed with the syrup and sweeteners in massive tanks, following precise ratios to ensure that signature taste. Interestingly, the exact sweetness can vary depending on regional preferences, which is why Coca-Cola might taste slightly different depending on where you are in the world. But it's not just sweet water. We need that delightful fizz too. After blending, the mixture enters a carbonation chamber, where carbon dioxide is infused under controlled pressure and temperature, creating those bubbles we all love. Now, our Coca-Cola is almost ready. Just one more step to go. Next, the fizzy mixture heads to the bottling line, where it's filled into cans and bottles with incredible precision. High-speed machinery ensures that every container gets the exact amount of liquid, leaving just enough space for the perfect head of foam. The bottles and cans are then capped, sealed, and labeled in a matter of minutes, ready to be shipped out. Before Coca-Cola products hit the shelves, they undergo rigorous quality control checks. From taste tests to microscopic examinations, every detail is scrutinized to ensure the product is perfect. With such meticulous care, it's no wonder Coca-Cola remains the #1 beverage in the world. So, next time you crack open a can of Coca-Cola, take a moment to appreciate the history, effort, and precision that went into making it. Now, go ahead, pop that can, take a sip, and enjoy the taste of a true global icon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into how everyday things are made. Thanks for watching.